Welcome to the video series where I show you exactly how small and medium businesses are using AI and automation right now. Not in theory, but in their day-to-day operations to drive real profits. Being myself a professional in development for 20 years and using AI technologies for my clients as well, the purpose of this series is to go beyond the AI hype and show you real-world implementations of AI and automation. I'll be covering 12 industries where AI is already making a major impact. This is part 2 of the series. In the previous part, we covered these 3 industries: wedding services, hospitality, and entertainment. To watch that, click on the notification on the screen. Today, we will be covering sales, customer support, and retail e-commerce. Let's see how businesses are actually using AI for profits in these 3 industries. Outbound and inbound AI voice sales assistant. Automating repetitive tasks like outreach, scheduling, CRM updates, data entry, and meeting scheduling. The AI tool acts as a sales assistant, automating repetitive tasks like outreach, scheduling, CRM updates, and data entry, allowing sales team to focus more on high-value activities like nurturing leads and closing deals. It operates tirelessly, handles inbound and outbound calls 24/7, and optimizes workflows, potentially doubling the time salespeople spend actively selling while reducing administrative tasks. It also books meetings with qualified leads in the SDR's calendar. Prospect qualifying and collection of all your prospects' information while storing it in your CRM. Post-sale engagement. AI inbound call handling provides 24/7 customer support, ensuring no customer inquiry goes unanswered. AI voice agents can handle common queries for more complex post-sales needs. AI system can transfer in calls smoothly to human team. Automate follow-ups and gather insights for improvement. Ensure automated check-ins after every sale to keep your customer engaged, addressing issues before they escalate, and improving retention. Use AI to track call data and customer feedback, identify trends and areas for improvement. Analyze these insights regularly to refine your post-sale engagement strategy. Improve conversion rates. Quickly follow-ups within 5 minutes after leads show interest. For example, when someone shows interest by downloading content or filling out a form, timing is everything. Studies show that following up within 5 minutes increases conversion rates significantly by 391% according to Harvard Business Review. Multi-channel follow-ups by AI voice, SMS, WhatsApp, Messenger, email, whichever is most appropriate. Personalized customer interactions. With CRM integration, you can deliver personalized experiences by using customer data, ensuring every interaction feels unique and tailored to their needs. Maximize lead generation. Analyze vast amounts of data to identify your ideal customer profiles and target them with precision. Whether through social media, search engines, or customized content, AI ensures your marketing efforts reach the right audience. Nurture leads into bookings. AI chatbots and automated email marketing systems engage your prospects with timely, relevant, and personalized communications. These tools keep your leads warm and guide them smoothly along the buyer's journey to secure more bookings. Database reactivation. reaching out to leads that have gone cold. Instead of letting them fade away, AI brings them back to life by personalized conversation. It requalifies and reactivates interest in your offer. AI persona identification. Get insights on how to prepare for interactions with people. AI analyzes the type of persona of the people you are about to interact with and gives you tips on how and what to say. Get a full detailed report about your prospects in minutes. Their industries and ICP, pain points, reviews, and complaints posted by users so SDRs can properly prepare for sales calls. Sales call analysis. Get insights and KPIs of your sales team performance, like number of total calls taken, average number of calls per SDR, close rate, common objections and common no-close reasons, covered and missed mandatory call topics, and of course, in time, AI can predict best sales patterns and best salespeople. Now let's switch to customer support. Chatbots and inbound AI voice agents. These AI-driven self-service tools provide info about products, services, and policies. Manage support tickets. Open support tickets by gathering the required data, updating data when needed from clients, and informing them of updates. Users can also request a refund or modify their subscription. Automatic case management. Automatically categorize support tickets, route them to the appropriate teams, and organize messages into dedicated folders. 24/7 availability and global outreach. Ensure continuous customer support without the need for human agents. Serve customers in multiple time zones. Language capabilities. Provide multilingual support to cater to a global customer base. Predictive analytics. Machine learning algorithms can predict customer needs based on historical data, allowing businesses to proactively address potential issues before they arise. Sentiment analysis. AI can analyze customer interactions to gauge sentiment, helping support teams understand customer emotions and adjust their responses accordingly. Documentation lookup. Both human agents and customers can quickly search company knowledge bases using keywords or topics to find relevant information. Human agents can search by keyword and topic within all company knowledge bases for any information like product or services, documentation, SOPs, policies, company organizational charts. Customers can search for solutions for their issues and learn how to use the product by getting to the point user manual documentation. Automatic SOP creation. AI tracks and records your mouse movements and creates documents with step-by-step processes. Now let's switch to retail and e-commerce. AI-powered product recommendation system. Based on the user's query in natural language, offer recommendations and alternates in case an exact match is not found. AI excels in analyzing buying patterns to create personalized offers and promotions that entice customers to return. Up and cross-selling. Based on past purchase behavior and preferences, AI-powered CRM systems can predict the best time to follow up with leads and suggest the most effective upselling and cross-selling opportunities. Inventory management. Based on past purchasing trends, AI predicts item stock shortage and optimizes inventory levels. Invoice generation. Chatbots to answer FAQs about their products, delivery, or policies. Can suggest products based on previous purchases, processes orders, and even updates inventory in real time. Help customers track orders. Enhanced client onboarding by automating key processes, reducing time-consuming tasks, and ensuring clients receive everything they need efficiently. By creating a smooth and structured onboarding experience, it eliminates buyer's remorse, builds trust, sets clear expectations, and fosters long-lasting client relationships. Website voice interaction. AI voice agents give website visitors a personalized and fast interaction. What users could do on a website with text, now they can do much faster and more personalized by talking to the website. Users can ask via voice for info on products or services, search for products, book appointments, get personalized bundles or offers, and make payments. Generate background and complementary videos and images for your products. Online presence. AI designs the logo, website, and brand packages. It suggests domain names, generates business cards, presentation and marketing templates, portfolios, and so on. And that's it for this video. If you are curious about how AI can help your business, book a free consultation with me to explore tailored solutions. Once the other videos from the series are done, I'll update the description and put a link on this screen to the next video. I go into more details on strategies and tools businesses use to implement AI in my newsletter. Link below. I'll see you in the next one.